Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, we'll detect when the enter key is pressed inside a text input using JavaScript. It is a simple but powerful way to capture form submissions or trigger events. We'll use this keydown event listener to make it work. Let's dive in and see how to implement this. We first want to listen to key presses inside an input field. The moment the enter key is pressed, we'll execute some JavaScript. This is commonly used for login fields, messaging apps, or search inputs. Let's now look at the code we'll use to detect this event. We first select the text input by its ID using getElementById. Next, we attach a keydown event listener to it. Inside the event handler, we check if the event key is equal to enter. If so, we log a message, but you can trigger any action here. The event fires every time a key is pressed while the input is active. We inspect which key was pressed during event key. If it is enter, we run the action, like logging or form submission. Let's now see how it works with a few examples. Only the enter key triggers the conditional logic in our event handler. Other keys like letters or backspace do nothing. It is a great way to filter specific input without needing a button. Let's explore where this approach is used in real-world scenarios. Detecting enter key presses is a must in modern UI design. It makes your interfaces faster and more intuitive. You'll see this behavior in everything from Gmail to Google search. Let's wrap up with a recap of what we've learned today. We added a keydown event to listen for enter key presses in a text input. It is simple and super useful for streamlining UI interactions. Try extending this to form submission, search features, or custom actions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.